Tarte's Crate Custom Kit is available now, and we know you've been waiting for this sale all year long. So you get to pick 7 full-size products, and for only $69, you know, that is over a $232 value, plus free shipping, and you can get up to 3 kits per order. It does end May 17th. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Mark your calendars. The only custom kit sale of the year is almost here. From May 14th through the 17th, you'll have the chance to take advantage of the Tarte's biggest sale of the year. Pick 7 full-size products for only $69 plus free shipping. You choose a makeup bag and fill it with your faves like Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump Sculpt, Tape Contour Face Tape Foundation, Tartelette Tubing, mascara, and more. So here's how it works. You pick 7 full-size products from each category: mascara, lip, eye, face, foundation, skincare, brushes, bag. You choose a makeup bag. It can even be used as a clutch and check out. It's really that simple. So let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.